Happy 45th birthday to our beautiful financial advisor. Hello, babe.
Hello, my babe.
Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday.
Thank you for everything, especially to your family, for the help extended to Phyllis. And may you have more birthdays and blessings to come because you deserve all these blessings from God. All the best.
Thank you so much for convincing me to be insured with Sun Life. Dako good na bulig for me right now. So more blessings to come to you and to your family. Happy 45th birthday. God bless.
Birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Hi ma, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Ginaampo ko nga tanan ng mga kaangelesan nga kasantusan na langit. Bendisyonan ka ni mo birthday. Kan Mama Mary, kan Papa Jesus, kan Saint Joseph, bendisyonan ka at imo kinabuhi ma, mas maging prosperous pa. Wala ito ma. Happy birthday ma.
Happy birthday, ma.
Happy birthday ma. I wish you good health. Happy birthday ma. Salamat sa tanan na imugin mo akong salamat and mga gift, tapos gitara, tapos sanda mo pa. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything yet in life. May you always be happy.
Hi, Jen. Happy birthday. Kumusta ka di Hapalo? Ako Amerika. Balit. Mo inyan mga surprise. Kay Boyce, haamon nga mag-message kami imo. Ada kay baga medyo mga guard pa tika nga office. Sana imo birthday maging yan nga year maging imo mga wishes. Amo nagapit akon wish sa para ha imo. So it Ginoo namamati nila itong hiya. Nagkikita ha imo. Tapos ginhuhulat it para ha imo right time. Maaram akot imo mga gusto. So someday magragrant gyapit ito nga imo mga wishes, your family, your loved ones na nagsusuporta imo. Adi kami nga mga imo sangkay termamintila na namamati han imo mga imot-imot. Sige kadla kay adi good luck kami permanente imo side. Sana matatapos kaya po dun. Hangangan niya ka imo kay strong ka. Ini admirable. Kita adot imo mga kids, mga gwapo. Hain ka pa hito. Mga buutan. Okay na. Ini itakon nila masisaring nga imo. Stay pretty. Enjoy your life. Maging successful it aton career. If makaada kitahin mga oras, pag-date naman kita, mag-disco-disco na naman kita. Diba? Nagpapakagawas lang kung may party, kung may birthday party at Sun Life. Diba Marisyo pang late bloomers? Happy birthday! Bye!
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Hi, Ate Jen! Happy birthday! Sana tanan mo nga wish, tanan mo nga hingyap, tanan mo nga ginaaro kan Jesus, nighatag ito ha ima. Diri man yan na, pero time will come. Again, have a blessed happy birthday and enjoy your day, Jen. Bye!
Happy birthday, Brooks! More travels and good health.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hi, Miss Jen. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything you've done haakon yan. Lucky wants to greet you also happy birthday. Iggy, small bite ka lang ko na ni. Yes, small bite. Love you, Jen.
Ako po si Martin Rivera, greeting you on this very, very special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Jen. Happy 45th birthday. Ria and I wanted to take a moment on your special day to say a massive thank you. It's amazing to think that all started way back 2014 when you first introduced us this peace of mind, and help us get protected. And on the very next year, on that year, you made us, our kids, covered too. And yeah, on this year, 2015, trusting your advice and adding more security for the both of us, me and Rhea, and with the kids. And also, you're not just our financial advisor. You are someone who cares genuinely about our family's well-being. So we're very thankful for that. And also, thank you for your reliable and patient over the last decade. We do hope that you have the joyful and wonderful 45th birthday. Thank you so much, Miss Jen. See you soon. Bye.
To a truly remarkable and independent woman, happy birthday! Your determination and grace are admirable. Wishing you a day as fabulous as you are. Happy birthday!
Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon, and I hope you get all the blessings that you have been asking for. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Babe! Happy birthday! Thank you so much for everything, for being the mother in here. And thank you so much ha, akong mga free clothes. I wear amazing clothes because of you. And akong mga shoes, tak mga outfits, same na mo mga OOTD. And I have you to thank you for that. And Loki wants to say happy birthday gihapon. Love you!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Hi, Jen!
Hello, Jen! It is a joy to hear na birthday mo tomorrow, and you are celebrating a birthday for tomorrow. You know what? Life is a blessing from the Lord. Each day when you wake up, it is a blessing from the Lord. Ang tungod kay birthday mo man, nakon wife, may dain niya igayakan.
Hello, my beautiful friend. You know what? I'm happy na naging sangkay ta ikaw. Nakita ko imo na may daka maupay na bamatasan regarding towards it imong family. Salamat sa Ginoo nga nakilala ta ikaw. An akong prayer na tanan na mga desire an imo heart ihatag na ito hang Ginoo, ngan maaram ako nga ibe-bless ka hang Ginoo tungod nga maupay ka ha imong pamilya, ngan maupay ka gihap nga sangkay haamon. Happy birthday, Jen! I love you.
Happy birthday, Jen! It is a joy for us to celebrate with you. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Kahit ganito yung nangyayari ngayon, I wish you celebrate your birthday in a nice, meaningful way, and I hope you have fun. God bless you!
Hi Ate Jen, happy birthday! Ampo ko mo, tagang kapan maupay nga panlawas, ngan halawig pa nga kinabuhi, ngan damo pat grasya nga dumangat haimo o gaimo pamilya. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi Jen, happy birthday. Wish you more years to celebrate. It's been 15 years nga magkaupod kita Sun Life. I remember nagkita kita Hafil Health, yung daog ko ikaw. And then naging okay naman kasi very approachable ka. Until such nga ginko-convince ko ikaw to join Sun Life. At first, nadiri ka yun nga career. In fact, I remember nagbubukod-bukod ako ha imo, makadto ako ha iyo, waray ka, adi ka ha downtown. Until such time nga gintagan mo ako chance, nag face to face kita, I introduce you who is Sun Life and what's in it for you if you will join Sun Life. And now, you've been successful in your choosing career. I'm happy for you. And I wish you good health, more clients, and happy life as always. Love you.
Hi Ate, I want to greet you a happiest 45th birthday. It's been 45 years of laughter and tears, of lesson and triumphs, 45 years of strength, grace, and unshakable faith. You've journeyed through life's chaos with resilience in your heart and light in your soul. I am endlessly proud of the person you've become. The road may twist and turn, but every path will always lead you to where you are meant to be. May this new chapter bring you peace, love, and everything good the universe has to offer. Keep believing in your dreams, start where you are, take the first step, and know that God is always preparing something beautiful for you. Happy birthday!
Kumusta ka na? Ang kaya ko lang, Ilonggo ko kayong Bisaya. Happy birthday! I'll be looking forward to having you here sa Manila. So, magkita tayo. Pero ngayon, mag-celebrate ka muna dyan. Happy birthday. And I wish you all the best, all the happiness. Ha? Stay guwapa, ha? Stay guwapa.